In this example, we're going to find the height of a cylinder when we are given its volume and radius. So we know that at a grocery store, a package of breadsticks is shaped like a cylinder. The volume of the cylinder is 36 and 9/10 cubic inches. The radius is 1 4/10 inches. We're asked to find the height of the package, and we want to round our answer to the nearest inch using 3.14 as our approximation for pi. So we once again are going to need that formula for the volume of a cylinder, and we are going to plug in what we are given. So in this case, we know the volume of the cylinder is 36 and 9/10 cubic inches, and that's going to be equal to the area of the base times the height, which again is pi r squared times height. We know we're using 3.14 for pi. We know our radius right here is 1.4 inches, so times 1.4 times 1.4. And in this case, we don't know the height, so we're just going to leave that times h. We'll leave that as a variable h. What we could go ahead and do now is simplify the right side of the equation. So we're going to multiply all of this. So if you have a calculator, plug in this part right here. Once you plug that in, we have 6.1544 times h as our height, and that is equal to 36.9. So what we have here, we have 36 and 9/10 equals 6.1544h. On the right side, that is simplified, and now we want to isolate the h. We want to find out what the height is, so we're going to divide both sides by the 6.1544. And when we do that, we will be left with something equals h. So again, in our calculators, we want to take 36.9 divided by this 6.1544. We're going to round to the nearest inch, and when we figure this out, we get a pretty long number here, but we get 5.99, and if we were to round that up to the nearest inch, we're looking at this right here, this tenths place. That 9 is going to bump that 5 up to a 6. So when it says what is the height of the cylinder or of the breadsticks package, we could say it's approximately 6 inches. We could say it is about 6 inches.